Have you ever watched an explainer video and thought, how do they actually make this come alive? Hi, I'm Sabina. I've been creating these short Pixar-style animated explainer videos to show how AI and everyday industries connect in powerful ways. I'd really love to know, are you enjoying these stories so far? Drop me a quick comment and let me know what you think. And here's the exciting part. I'm not just sharing finished videos. I'll be taking you behind the scenes to show you my creative process from the very first idea to writing the scripts all the way to bringing characters and animations to life. That way, you don't just watch the final product, you'll actually see how it all comes together. So if you're liking what you see, make sure to hit subscribe and stay tuned. This is just the beginning, and I've got so much more to share with you. All right, let's dive into today's explainer video.
Construction has always been about building the future. But today, the future is building with us. Artificial intelligence is arriving on the job site, and it's changing how we plan, build, and protect our teams. Meet BrickBot, your AI construction assistant. Designed to help crews stay safe, projects run smoothly, and resources stretch further. But here's the truth. AI isn't perfect. Without the right training, staff can face real challenges. If data isn't updated, schedules get thrown off. If safety signals are misread, hazards are overlooked. And if we rely too much on AI, human judgment fades. That's when costs rise, safety drops, and projects stall. AI works best when people and technology work together. With proper training, your teams can spot hazards in real time, optimize materials and reduce waste, and keep projects on time and on budget. AI becomes a tool, not a replacement, helping every worker make smarter, safer decisions. The future of construction isn't about man or machine. It's about man and machine, building stronger, smarter, and safer together. Is your team ready to harness AI the right way? With custom training and animated explainer videos, you can prepare your staff and elevate your projects. Training reimagined. Performance elevated.